Welcome to how to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone. So in this video we are going to show you how to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone. So before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So as you can see that right now I am on my iPhone. So you will open up WhatsApp, and after opening up WhatsApp you will go into this settings option, and then go to this chats option, and then here on iPhone you can see that I have this option where it says move chats to Android. Okay, so same this for Android phone as well. So if you are on your Android phone, you will come to this settings here, and then you will see that option here, move chats to iPhone. So you will just simply tap on this one, and then what it will do is basically it will connect with your Android phone, and it will chat. It will basically send all of the chats from your Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.